Good morning, students. I, Rajesh Bala, your social science teacher, will teach you today about this chapter 2 People as Resource, part 3. In second part, we read about the various activities in different sectors of economy: primary sector, secondary sector, and tertiary sector. Now, in this module, we will read about the economic activities. What are economic activities? These activities add value to the national income. These activities are called economic activities. Economic activities have two parts: market activities and non market activities. Market activities have involve remuneration to anyone who perform, that is activity performed for pay or profit. These include production or of goods. Simply we can use to say market activities are the activities which we do for earning money and profit, or including services, etc. Non market activities are production for self consumption or self satisfaction. These can be consumption and processing of primary product and on account production of fixed assets. Simply, we can say that non market activities are the activities which we do only for our self satisfaction or self consumption. For example, if a teacher teaches in the school, she is doing the economic activity, market activity. And if she is teaching at her home to her child, is non market activity, because this time she is doing the activity only for self consumption or self satisfaction. If a farmer sells the grain in the market, he is doing the market activity. If he is using the same grain for serving his family purpose, then he is doing this activity for self consumption, and this will be included in non market activity. Now let us read about the role of education for our economy. Education help individual to make better use of economic opportunities available before him. Education and skills are the major determinants of earning of any individual in the market, national income, cultural richness, and increases the efficiency of governance. Yes, all these qualities can be found in an educated person. Then, next, why women are paid less than men? A majority of women have less educated and low skill formation. Women are paid low compared to men. Most women work where job security is not there. Various activities related to legal protection is less. She also wants legal protection. Employment in this sector is characterized by irregular and low income. In this sector, there is an absence of basic facilities like maternity leave, child care, and other social security systems. However, women with high educated and skill formation are paid at per the men. Among the organized sector, teaching and medicine attract them the most. Some women have entered administrative and other services, including jobs that need high levels of scientific and technological competence. Now let us read about the program started by central government, Sarv Siksha Abhiyan, as its words are telling us that this scheme was started to make all people literate. Sarv Siksha Abhiyan is a significant step towards providing elementary education to all children in the age group of 6 to 14 by 2010. It is time-bound initiative for the central government in partnership with states and the local government and the community for achieving the goal of universalization of elementary education. Along it, bridge courses and back to school camps have been initiated to increase the enrollment in elementary education. Midday meal scheme has also been implemented so that more and more students come in school and they attend the classes. These policies could add the literate population in India. There is a provision made for providing universal access, retention, and quality in elementary education with a special emphasis on girls. There is also establishment of pace setting of schools like Navodaya Vidyalaya. In each district, vocational streams have been developed to equip large number of high schools. Students with occupations related to knowledge and skills and spend a lot of money for these schemes. Institution of higher education enrollment and faculties, you can read here how yearly year wise it is given here in 51 50 51 19 90 91 96 97 98 99. This is from the UGC. Thank you. Next we will read in our next video.